Good day, everyone. Our topic is about creating an enabling environment for cooperative development.
I am Rhea Jean A. Borongan from BSCDPC and this is my report. Policy and regulatory environments refer to the laws, regulations, and guidelines that govern various aspects of society, businesses, industries, and government operations. These policies are put in place to ensure order, fairness, and compliance with standards that promote the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. In a broader sense, policy encompasses the decisions, plans, and actions taken by governments, organizations, or individuals to achieve specific goals or address issues. The policy and regulatory environment can vary significantly depending on the sector or industry. For example, in the financial sector, there are regulations governing banking practices, investment activities, and consumer protection. Also in healthcare, there are policies related to patient care, drug approvals, and medical research. These policies and regulations are essential for maintaining order, protecting rights, ensuring safety, and promoting economic growth. They provide a framework for businesses to operate ethically, for governments to serve their citizens effectively, and for individuals to live in a society that upholds certain values and principles. Overall, the policy and regulatory environment plays a crucial role in shaping the behavior of individuals and organizations, fostering trust in institutions, and driving progress and development in various sectors of society. Human capital development. This refers to the process of enhancing and investing in the knowledge, skills, abilities, and potential of individuals in a workforce. It is a strategic approach that focuses on developing and maximizing the capabilities of employees to drive organizational growth, innovation, and competitiveness. Human capital development is essential for organizations to remain competitive in a rapidly changing business environment. It not only benefits individual employees by enhancing their skills and career prospects, but also contributes to the overall success and sustainability of the organization. Access to finance. This refers to the ability of individuals, businesses, and organizations to obtain financial services, products, and resources to meet their needs, invest in opportunities, and achieve their financial goals. It is a critical factor in economic development as it enables individuals and businesses to access capital, manage risk, and participate in economic activities. Access to finance include credit, savings and deposit, insurance, investment services, financial inclusion. Access to finance is crucial for promoting entrepreneurship, job creation, and economic growth. Lack of access to finance can hinder individuals and businesses from seizing opportunities, expanding their operations, or weathering financial shocks. Therefore, improving access to finance through policies, regulations, and financial innovations is essential for fostering financial inclusion, reducing inequality, and driving sustainable development. Market competitiveness. This refers to the extent to which firms within an industry or market are able to effectively compete with one another to attract customers, generate revenue, and achieve sustainable growth. It is measure of the dynamic and often intense rivalry that exists among businesses. Market competitiveness. This refers to the extent to which firms within an industry or market are able to effectively compete with one another to attract customers, generate revenue, and achieve sustainable growth. It is a measure of the dynamic and often intense rivalry that exists among businesses vying for market share, profitability, and customer loyalty. Market competitiveness include product quality and innovation, price and value proposition, marketing positioning and branding, operational efficiency and cost management, customer experience and service, and the last is market dynamics and industry trends. Market competitiveness is essential for driving innovation, efficiency, and growth in a dynamic business environment. Companies that prioritize competitiveness by focusing on product quality, customer value, operational excellence, and market positioning are better positioned to thrive and succeed in competitive market.
Provincial level initiatives. At the provincial level, the Provincial Cooperative and Enterprise Development Office or PCDO in Bulacan, for example, has a mission to create a dynamic cooperative and business sector, enhancing economic security and market competitiveness. The PCDO offers various programs including capacity building seminars, financing programs, and free audit services to support cooperative development. So, in terms of provincial level, ang PCDO o ang Provincial Cooperative and Enterprise Development Office sa Bulacan. Halimbawa, sila ay may misyon na gumawa ng dynamic cooperative and business sector, pagpapa-enhance ng security sa economic at pagiging competitive sa pagtitinda ng kanilang mga produkto. So, ang PCDO o Provincial Cooperative and Enterprise Development Office ay nag-o-offer ng mga iba't ibang mga programs in terms of financing. And also, sila ay nagbibigay ng mga libreng serbisyo sa pag-o-audit o pag-verify ng mga accounts and records, especially sa mga financial account, and to support international cooperation. International organizations such as the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific or ESCAP also plays a crucial role in promoting sustainable development and environmental protection in the Asia-Pacific region. ESCAP's Environment and Development Division works to accelerate actions for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals with a focus on intergovernmental support, knowledge products, and the technical assistance to build capacity in the region. International organization tulad ng United Nations Economic at Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific or ESCAP, sila ay may ginagampan ng mahahalagang role sa pagtataguyod ng sustainable development at protection sa environment sa Asia-Pacific region. So, ang ESCAP Environment and Development Division ay nagsusumikap na magtrabaho upang mas mapabilis ang kanilang action sa pagkamit ng Sustainable Development Goals na nakapokus sa intergovernment support, mga knowledge product at mga technical na tulong upang bumuo ng capacity sa kanilang region. Community Development Principles. Community Development Practices as outlined in the eCampus Ontario Pressbooks publications. Emphasize the importance of active working with the community to increase leadership capacity, skills, and resources. This approach is essential for creating an enabling environment that supports cooperative development and promotes sustainable community growth. Ang mga community development practices tulad ng sa eCampus Ontario Pressbook publication na ini-emphasize ang kahalagahan ng pagiging active worker in community upang mas lalong tumaas ang leadership capacity, skills at resources. So, ang mga ganitong uri ng approach ay mahalaga in terms of creating an enabling environmental that support cooperative development and also promote sustainable community growth.